Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to decrease brightness in Windows 7. Okay, so if you're using laptop, there is a maybe different way you can do it, or if you're using desktop, there is a different way you can do it. So just right click on your desktop, go to the personalize option, and here you can see the change desktop item and everything. So now you have to go into display icon. Okay, so here you can change, you can click calibrate if you are working on desktop. So now if I am using the desktop, so I just see this option. If I'm using laptop, there you will see option, one option above calibrate color, that adjusts the brightness. You just click on it and you can adjust the brightness requirement. But if you're using desktop, then here you have to choose and calibrate. In calibrate color, you will see like this. Just click on next, just next, and here you can just increase decrease brightness, just reset, click on next, and here you can see many setting as per your requirement. Okay, so there is a option you can see, just click next and just finalize. Okay, preview calibrate or current calibrate and just finish it. Okay, so that is how you can make decrease increase brightness in Google Windows 7. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.